Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon or good evening, if this is your evening or good night, as the case may be. This is the Igbo tutor live. Ụtụtụ ọma ma ọ bụrụ na nke a bụ ụtụtụ gị, ehihie ọma ma ọ bụrụ ehihie n'ebe ị nọ, mgbede ọma ma ọ bụrụ mgbede, maọbụ abalị ọma agbanyeghị ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, nara ekele nke gị. Maazị Okafor, onye nkuzi Igbo. This is Mr. Okafor, the Igbo tutor. Wherever you are, you're supposed to be in this class. It's time to join up. There is a time agreed when we need to sit down and learn and practice Igbo language. Here we are again today, wherever you are, and you're supposed to be in this class. You will do well to join right now, and let's have this class together. This is the Igbo tutor live. So wherever you are, join this class right now. Hello? Hello? Join the class right now, wherever you are. The Igbo tutor is live. When you join, confirm that you can hear me very well as we move on together. If you're hearing me, we confirm you're hearing me. The Igbo tutor is live. Yes, let's do this together. Wherever you are, you're supposed to be in this class. It's good to join me right now, and let's have this class together. The Igbo tutor is live right now. So wherever you are, join me right now. Join me right now. The Igbo tutor is live. Join me right now. Let's have this class together. As you join the class, please drop your greetings and confirm if you can hear me loud and clear. This is very important because we had audio problem last time. Let's be sure that has been resolved. So if you join the class, drop your greetings and confirm if you can hear me very clearly. This is very important. Without you hearing me, there is no class. So as you join the class, you will do well to confirm that I'm audible enough, you can hear what I'm saying before the class can proceed. Yes, please confirm that you can hear me. Mazi Clement, Dewo, can you hear me? Please confirm this. This is very important to me. Can you hear me, Mazi Clement? Confirm that I'm audible. That is the beginning of this class. Confirm that I'm audible. Oh, that's good. Glory be to God. So there will be no issue today. Dewo, Mazi Clement. Keki mere. Mazi Clement Emehe. Number one to be in class today. Keki mere. I need to get your response. Keki mere. That will also go further to confirm that you are hearing me. Keki mere. Mazi Emehe. Keki mere. Ana meche Pasisagi. Ana meche Azizagi. I'm waiting for your answer. Keki mere. Mazi Emehe. Yes. Okay, Ademoma, excellent. That confirms that I'm clear enough. Yeah. Wait for you to join up this class. If you're seeing me right now, you're interested in learning Igbo language right now, live. To practice what you've learned over time, to test your ability to understand and comprehend Igbo sentences and Igbo statements made, via audio. You need to join this live class now. This is a test class where we practice what we have learned over time and measure our level of progress wherever we are. Irrespective of any channel you're learning from, you want to practice what you've been learning, you want to measure your level of progress. This is where to be every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. And in case you are seeing me right now, and you are hearing me, and you are not yet a member of the channel, you want to join this live class every Saturday. You will do well to join our channel membership. That is the only way to participate in our live classes every Saturday consistently. And that gives you advantage because with that, you can make progress faster than ever before. You can measure your level of progress. You can understand whether you are really, you need to make more effort or not as you progress. So it is good every Saturday. So you do well to join us right now. Join our channel membership. We require you to join right away if you have not done that. You see the black round button beside my channel name with the inscription join. Just click on that now and join our channel membership. We are expecting others to join this class now before the class will start fully. We have 1 or 2 persons already here. If you are in the class, please drop your greetings. That way we know you are here and we register your presence. As soon as we have 2 or 3 people, we will begin the class. So if you are already in the class, do well to drop your greetings. Right there, dialogue. No, just say something. Say hi. Make a comment in the chat. That way, you can pick your name and mark your register today as present. Okay? So do that as you join the class right away. So we can begin immediately. Who else is in the class? I am Marty Clement. Okay? Who else is in the class right now? If you are in the class, drop a chat. Drop a chat if you are in the class right now. Drop a chat with us. Princess is one. No. Mother Princess. There you go. Princess, can you hear me loud and clear? Confirm you can hear me loud and clear. We don't want to have any issues with audio today. Can you hear me loud and clear, Princess? Do confirm that while we go on. Can you hear me very clearly? You are number 2 today. You join the class. Okay, there you go. Confirm you can hear me loud and clear. I can hear you. It's good. It could be clearer. Okay. It could be clearer. Okay. Okay. Maybe I need to get closer to the mic. Okay. It's all right. Can you hear me clearer now, Princess? I should decrease the mic volume. Is it better now? Is it better right now, Princess? Please confirm that. Confirm it's clearer. Yeah, it sounds much. Okay, much. Why? Wow. I don't know why it is like that. Okay, I don't know why. It could be system problem. I don't know. But it is still the same way it is being set before. So I don't know why it sounds so. What is the problem? Can you check now? Can you check? Is it better? Is it better? Or is it still the same way? Yeah, Mazeme, can you confirm? Is the sound okay? Let's have a second confirmation. Let me be sure it's not my own problem here. Mehe, can you hear me? Who else is in the class? Can you hear me? I have Princess, I have Mehe. Okay, it's okay. But it sounds like you are in a small room. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Could it be system problem or what? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's my problem. I don't know why. But my setting is showing me everything is working well. But is it loud enough? Is it loud enough? Can you hear me clearly? Is it loud? Okay, please confirm. Is it loud enough? I hope is it loud? Let's confirm. I need to check the echo. Echo is 0. I'm checking my mic setting. Echo is 0. So I don't know what is the problem. Okay, echo is 0. You shouldn't have any echo at all. Is it having echo? Is it echoing back? Can you hear especially what I'm saying? Can you get me? Or is it echoing back to you? Yeah, what is it like? Because we're about to start. Let me be sure you can hear what I'm saying. Is it echoing back to you? Is there any echo? Any echo there? or you can hear what I'm saying clearly. Yeah, please confirm that as we want to begin right now. Who else is in the class? Please, if you are in this class, drop your greetings. I can only see 2 people greeting us and communicating with me. What about the rest? Where are you? If you are in this class, please drop your greetings because we want to start now. Yes, we want to start right away. Okay? Yeah, like I asked earlier, is there any echo in the mic? Is there any echo coming back to you? If there is none, we can begin. If you can hear me very clearly, if you are sure you can hear me, I think we should begin. Yes, can we start now? I have 2 of you confirmed present here now. I don't know if anybody is here. Apart from 2 of you now, can we begin? Do confirm if we can begin now, if you can hear me, and if we can start. Can we start? Can you hear me clearly? Please confirm that and let's begin. Can you hear me? Can we start? Waiting for your response. Waiting for your response. Can we start? Okay, can you be do? Okay, Clement say can you be do? All right, we are beginning right away. Day 1. Okay, we've been working on this. Let's start. Okay, preacher said let's start. Good. Now we're beginning right away. Today we're going to do conversation around cooking. We're going to cook a meal today. So, wear your apron and let's go into the kitchen. And we're going to cook a meal this afternoon. Very good meal for that matter. And then I prefer I'm going to cook soup this afternoon. I need a okay. Are you okay with that? Do you want us to cook food this afternoon or you want something else? I want to eat soup. Yeah. So I usually okay. Give me kitchen. What do you think? Give me kitchen. Can you see okay? How many people want us to eat cook soup this afternoon? If you want us to cook soup, give us a thumbs up. We want to cook soup. If you're okay with that, give me a thumbs up. Let's go on with cooking soup this afternoon. Yes, who wants soup? Can you see okay? Who wants us to cook soup? Give me a thumbs up. And let's begin to cook our soup right away. Yes? Yay! Every man will want us to cook soup. Who else wants us to cook soup? Kedu onye ọzọ chọrọ ka anyị sie ofe? Kedu onye ọzọ? Cherry mango chọrọ ofe. Ehihie ọma cherry mango. Kedu onye ọzọ chọrọ ka anyị sie ofe? Only cherry mango wants us to cook soup this afternoon. Only her. Any other person? Anybody supporting this motion? Kedu onye kwadoro nwaada cherry mango? Kedu onye na-akwado ya ka anyị sie ofe? Ngwa, ka anyị bido. Now we begin. I never get any other response. Maybe it's still on the way, but let's begin. The sentence first, number 1, Kembo, anyị chọrọ isi ofe n'ụbọchị taa. Anyị chọrọ isi ofe n'ụbọchị taa. What did I just say? Anyị chọrọ isi ofe n'ụbọchị taa. What did I just say now? Can you write that in English? Anyị chọrọ isi ofe n'ụbọchị taa. Write what I just said in English. Go ahead and write what I just said in English. Anyị chọrọ isi ofe n'ụbọchị taa. Cherry mango is also confirming that this thing is more. My God, what is happening to my system? What is the problem? More. The same complaint. More. What is the issue? So you can't hear me. I don't know what is the problem. I think we have to manage this because I don't know what to set now. I don't want to alter this the program. Okay, I don't want to do anything that will stop this thing and then alter the class. So I don't know why it is morphed. The same setting I have before is what I have now. Okay, so I don't know why it is morphed. The mic is showing me that it's working from this end, but hello? Okay, hello? Okay, I don't know. Hello, 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 hello? I think it's responding better now. Hello, hello, hello? Can you confirm? Is it better now? Is it better? Hello? Is it better? Can you hear me better now? Is it better? Please do confirm it is better. If it is better, do confirm. I don't know what is happening, but please confirm if you can hear me better now. I just tried to check something. I don't know whether I solved the problem or not. Okay. And the sentence is, and same to me, same to me. Okay, it's still the same. That means it's not yet changed. It does not improve as it ought to. It does not improve. We want to cook soup today. Okay, let's manage it. Let's manage it so that we don't disrupt the class. Okay, let's go on like that. So that we don't disrupt this class. I'm very careful about that. I don't know what is the problem, the system problem or mic problem, but the mic seems to be working well. I've checked the mic meter and it's showing me that it's working well. So maybe it's a system problem. So do bear with me so that we don't pause the class. Let's go on. Okay. Anitoro isiote n'ụbọchị taa, right? Somebody has written, I want to cook soup today. That's Sherry Mango. Clement, we want to cook soup today. How about Princess? What does Princess say about this? What does Princess say? Oh, I see. I see something here. Hello? 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 Okay. Okay. You can recheck the mic. You can recheck and see if there's improvement. It does appear I just saw something that I just checked now. Check the mic. Check the mic. If there's improvement, if you can hear me better now. Any improvement in the mic? Any improvement in the mic? Please confirm that. But let me look at the responses we got. We got Sherry Mango, we got Clement Emehe, we got Nake answering now. Any other person answering? Please, I also need you to respond to the workings of the mic. All right. I think the answers we got is correct. We want to cook soup, but Sherry Mango input today, no bashita. And we want to cook soup today. Clement Emehe is correct. Nake, we want to cook soup. We want to cook some soup today. We don't really need to put some. Just soup is okay, is enough. Okay, let's go. Princess, are you still there? Can you hear me? Let's move. The next thing we're talking about is ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Okay, that's the question. Okay, what did I ask? Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Yes. Okay, what out is something. Okay, so I should write out the sentence after we answer. Okay, so let me write the first one, which is Anito isiofe n'ụbọchị taa. Let me go ahead to write the first sentence. Sorry, that's good observation for purpose of correcting everybody. Okay. I'm coming to that. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the first sentence I made. I need to read okay, about the part. And I ask second question, okay, gini can you see? Okay, let me get the answers. Clement wrote, what soup will we cook? Good question. Princess, what soup will we cook? We cook today. What soup will we cook today? Okay. Any other response? How about cherry mango? And how about Nake? Nake has not responded to that. Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Let's go on to do that now. Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Nake wrote, what soup will we cook? Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Good effort. Good effort. I think your answers are correct. Let's look at them. Clement, what soup will we cook? What soup, Princess, what soup will we cook today? Even though I didn't put today, but you added it. That's fine. Nake, what soup will we cook? How about cherry mango? What did you say? Soibi, what did you say about this soup? What did you say about the soup? Yes. What do you say about my sentence? What did you say? Waiting for you, Soibi. Okay. What do you say about this? My sentence? Do you agree with what they wrote, or you have another opinion about that? Do you have another opinion about that? If you don't have, let's move on. Let me write what I just said, just like it was requested. Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi is a question. Ofe gịnị ka anyị ga-esi is a question. What soup? Or what kind of soup? Or what type of soup? Okay? Or what soup will we cook? Or shall we cook? All of them are correct. It appears all of you are correct. Except that I didn't see Sherry Mango's response. I don't know whether it's still coming or not. Let's go on. And the response to this is anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Let's go. What did I say? Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. What did I say? Write out in English what I just said now. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Let's go. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Let's go there. Yes. Let's go. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Write what I just said. Write it in English. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Let's go. Go write it now. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Let's go. Write it for me now. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Okay. Clement has written. Who else is writing? Princess has written. Okay. You people don't want to write the meaning of onugbu in English. You are avoiding that. You don't want us to know the meaning of Onubu in English, or you don't know it yourself. I'm waiting for who will translate that to English. Ani ga-esi ofe Onubu. Who will translate that properly in English? I'm waiting for the right answer. Clement is in. Princess is in. How about Shoibi and Nake? Ani ga-esi ofe Onubu. Let's have their own responses. Yes. Let's have your response. Ani ga-esi ofe Onubu. Yes. Waiting for you. Ani ga-esi ofe Onubu. Yes, Nnaka is writing. We cook Onubu soup. You are saying the same thing. Nobody knows the meaning of Onubu. Who is going to tell us the meaning in English? Translate Onubu to English. You guys are avoiding it. Why is Shoibi? Are you the one that's going to cook this one for us? Shoibi, where are you? Where are you? Ani ga-esi ofe Onubu. Let's go. Yes, I'm waiting for Shoibi to do that. Is she still in the class? Please confirm you are still in the class. Wanda, Shoibi. Okay, you are still here. Amayemi. It's good you confessed. And confessed right on time. Okay, first let me write the Igbo sentence before I translate it. I don't know. Somebody wrote vegetable soup. I know it's vegetable, but which kind of vegetable is that? That's what I'm looking for. Who will tell us what Onubu means in English? Who will tell us? And even your spelling of Onubu, none of them is correct. All of you are writing Onubu, D-U, not D-U. It's G-D-U with Onubu. So this is the right sentence. Ani ga-esi ofe Onubu. So, who is telling us the meaning of Onubu? Clement wrote vegetable soup. No, I know the vegetable. What kind of vegetable? Onubu means bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. What did I say? Bitter leaf. That is the soup we are talking about. Yabofe, ayi na-ekwu bitter leaf. Now let's go and then start the business of cooking. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Let's go. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. What did I say? Write what I said in English. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Let's go. Write what I have said in English. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Let's go. Go there, go there. Write what I have said. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Let's go there. Let's go there. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Let's go. Write what I've said now in English. Okay? Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Go and write what I have said now in English. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Princess has written. Okay. Who else is challenging Princess now with a better answer? Yes, 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 yes. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Let's go there. Who is challenging Princess with a better answer? Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Waiting for you guys. Yes, Emehe, Nnake, Sherimango, any other person there, come in with your answer. Ugbua, ka anyị gaa n'usekwu. Let's go. Now let's go into the kitchen. Wonderful. Clement is in. Who else is coming in with a different version? God Princess, God Clement, what is Nake and Priest and Shoidi, Sheriman was saying about this. Umua Kani Ga no so eku. Sheriman go, let us cook on the stove to the pot. We're going to see who gets it very correctly. Nake, where is your answer? Nake, where is the answer? Princess is doing a revision. Now, let us go on the stove. Head to the pot. We shall see who gets it better. I'm waiting for Nake to turn in his answer. Ubua, Kaniga no so eku. Let's go. Ubua, Kaniga no so eku. I'm only waiting for Nake to come in now with answer. I'm only waiting for Nake to come in with his answer before we proceed to mark. Yes. Nake is the only one I'm waiting for now. Where is your answer? Mazi Nake, what do you say? Ubua, Kaniga n'ụsọ eku. Ubua, Kaniga n'ụsọ eku. What did you say? Nake, what do you say? Ubua, Kaniga n'ụsọ eku. Yes, we're about to start marking the scripts. I got Princess response, Clement, Mango. I'm waiting for Nake to come in with the response. Ubua, Kaniga n'ụsọ eku. First, let me write what I say in Igbo. Let me write that in Igbo first. Okay. Okay, sorry. Ubua, Kaniga n'ụsọ eku. What does this mean? Ubua, Kaniga n'ụsọ eku. Let me look at the answer to God. Princess, now we will go on the stove. Who else answered? Clement. Now, let us go into the kitchen. Better answer. Cherry Mango, let us cook on the stove. Good but not good enough. Princess Religion. Now, let us go on the stove. Not very good. Uso eku is kitchen, not stove. Stove itself is eku or eku beke. But uso eku is the kitchen. So the best answer came from Clement Emehe, which is now. Let us go into the kitchen. That is a more perfect answer. Ubua, Kaniga n'ụsọ eku. I hope we are all clear about this. All the mma, Kaniga n'ihu. Let's proceed. Ngwa, tinye, ngwa, dekwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Ngwa, dekwasị ite. Or tụkwasị, let me read it this way. Ubua, tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. That's the next sentence. Pay attention. Ubua, or let me say, ngwa, tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Ngwa, tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Let's go. That is the sentence. Ngwa, tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Let's go there. Let's have that sentence written the way I said it. Ngwa, tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Let's go. ngwa tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Let's go. Let's go do that. Let's go do that. Ngwa tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Let's write that the way I said it first. Ngwa. Okay. Sherryman will just confess, am I in or the man? Let's see. That's why we're in class. We either learn from the teacher or we learn from our colleagues. We are all here to learn from each other. So let's wait for other people's response. Ngwa tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Let's go. What do you people say? Princess Nake Emehe. What do you say? Rescue your sister, Sherry Mango. Rescue her. Ngwa tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Clement is in. Now, tụkwasị pot on top of the stove. Not the small matter. Clement, you know the feeling for you. So, tụkwasị is what you cannot translate. Let's see what Princess comes up with. Now, put the pot on the stove. Wonderful. Wonderful from Princess. Wonderful from Princess. Let's see who else has any opinion on this. Ngwa tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. I love these responses. From a mind to one opinion to a better opinion. Yes. I don't know if Nake is in the class, but I'm going to use these three to mark the script. And that is Sherry Mango from my mind to Clement. Now, tụkwasị ite pot on top of the stove, n'elu ekwu, which is good. The only thing you don't know is tụkwasị. But Princess came to the rescue by telling us what tụkwasị means. Now, put, or I would rather say, place. That is tụkwasị. Place. Place, not put, but rather place. Okay? Okay. No, Mazin Nake, it's like you went out before. Okay, you're welcome back. So, tụkwasị is place. Place the pot on the stove. Not put the pot, but place the pot. Tụkwasị. Okay, that is the only amendment I'm making on the sentence of Princess. Otherwise, that is very good. Now, place the pot on the stove. That is ngwa tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Princess, well done. I hope Sherry Mango is getting it now. Sherry Mango, did you get what I said now? Sherry Mango, confirm whether you got what you said. Ngwa tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Sherry Mango, confirm if you get the meaning of this sentence now. Ngwa tụkwasị ite n'elu ekwu. Sherry Mango, are you with us now? Did you get it? That's why we are in a class. We learn from the teacher, we learn from our colleagues, we learn from everybody. So it's a community of learners. So Sherry Mango, confirm if you are very clear with this sentence now. Did you get it? Sherry Mango, did you get it now? Are you okay with it now? We are going to the next sentence now. All right, let's move on to the next sentence. Yeah, Sherry will say, hey, that's great. So, tụkwasị means place, okay? I want somebody to correct that sentence. Princess, you are the one that made that sentence. Please do the correct version. Now, place the pot on the stove. Do the correct version as we go to the next sentence. And now the next one is wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Let's go. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Ngwa, There, n'olu bekee. Dee ihe m kwuru n'olu bekee, n'asụsụ bekee. Write what I'm saying in English. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Princess has come in with an answer. Who else is doing something different from this? Let's go. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Let's go. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Let's go there. Now, let me have your responses. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Somebody has answered. Sherry Mango is in. Okay? Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Two responses. Clement, where are you? Nnake, where are you? Let's go. Nnake has come in. What about Clement and Mehe? What did you say about this? Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. What do you say about this? Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Let's go. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. What do you say about it? Wụnye mmiri n'ime ite. Okay. Pour water in the pot. It appears all of you are saying the same thing. Let me begin with Princess. Pour water in the pot. That is correct. Nnake, what do you say? Pour water into the pot. Okay, Sherry Mango, follow. Pour water into pot. Good. Nnake, pour water into the pot. Correct. Clement, pour water in the pot. Whichever way you wrote it is correct. Into the pot, in the pot, however you wrote it, you are all correct. Okay? You are all correct. All right, let's go. Tinyoku neku. Tinyoku neku. That's the next sentence. So, tinyoku neku. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Let's go. That's the next sentence, so go ahead and write down. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Let's go there. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. What does that mean? Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Nnake said, Amaghị ọdịmma. Who rescue us? Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Who will rescue us from here? I hope Princess will be able to do that. She's a senior student also. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Put fire on the stove. Turn on the stove. Wonderful. What does Princess say? Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Yes. I'm waiting for Princess. What do you say? Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. I got, okay, a Princess and Sherry Mango. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Yes. I'm waiting for Princess and Sherry Mango's response. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. What do you say to that? Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Let's go. Princess, Sherry Mango, what do you say to this? Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. What is your response? What is your response? tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Yes, waiting for you to do that. Tinye ọkụ n'ekwu. Yeah, princess, turn on the stove would be banye n'ekwu. Okay. So what do you say about tinye ọkụ n'ekwu? If banye is turned on, which I agree with you, but even if you use banye, you say banye ọkụ n'ekwu, whichever you use, it's not banye n'ekwu, it's banye ọkụ n'ekwu. Oh, I sent it 3 times, but I will never see it though. I'm just seeing your sentence when you say turn on the stove will be banye n'ekwu. That's the only sentence you are seeing from you on this. It will be network delaying your response, not us. Okay, sorry about that. That could be network. So, but what I'm seeing from you is turn on the stove would be banye n'ekwu. It should be banye ọkụ n'ekwu, turn on, or banye ọkụ ekwu, banye ọkụ ekwu. That could be turn on the stove, banye ọkụ ekwu. Okay, tinye ọkụ n'ekwu is put fire on the stove. So, or put fire in the stove. So, emehe is right by put fire in, should be in the stove, not on the stove. Okay, and like I said, cherry mango, maybe that is the same response from you. I don't know whether that is correct or not. Or the so princess, that is network problem. I don't know why network is holding what you are sending. Sorry about that. All right, let's go on. Kedebe anu de. That is the next question. It's a question actually. Kedebe anu de. Kedebe anu de. I want to put something in the pause, and we are asking a question about that thing. Kedebe anu de. What does that mean? Kedu ebe anu de. I see that network is delaying some people's response, is slowing down. Sorry about that. I asked a question. Kedu ebe anu de. What did I ask? Kedu ebe anu de. Yes. Who is helping us with that? Kedu ebe anu de. Who is helping with that? Kedu ebe anu de. Who is helping with that? Kedu ebe anu de. Okay, I have Clement respond. I have Nnake response. What about princess? What about princess? I hope it's not happening the way it happened last time. You didn't get your response. Even though you say you sent it 3 times. I hope they will deliver it to all this time around. Sherry Mango is mine. Clement has answered. Nnake has answered. Where is princess? Network will release your answer to us. Yes, princess. Okay, princess is in. Where is the meat? Where is the meat? Your answers are correct. Kedu ebe anu de. It's like I did not write banyo kuneku or tinyo kuneku. I didn't write it in Igbo. I need to go back to do that because that is the rule. Tinyo kuneku. Put fire in the stove. And then we have Kedebe anu de, which we are already answering. Where is the meat? Where is the meat? Where is meat? So cherry mango, these guys are correct. Anu is meat. Kedebe ode is where is it? But if you put meat there, kedebe anu de, where is the meat? So they are correct. When they say, Clement, where is the meat? Correct. Nnake, where is the meat? Correct. Princess, where is the meat? Correct. So, cherry mango, did you get that? Kedebe is where? Which position? That is, ebe is the position. So, kedebe is where? So, anu de is meat is. Where is meat? Or where meat is. Okay? So, let me put that in Igbo. Kedebe anu de. That is a question. So those answers are correct. Kedebe anu de. And then I now answer. I answer. Okay? All the n'ime igbe oyi. All the n'ime igbe oyi. All the n'ime igbe oyi. Let's go. What did I say? All the n'ime igbe oyi. All the n'ime igbe oyi. Let's go. Princess has answered already. Who else is answering this question? All the n'ime igbe oyi. Who else is responding? All the n'ime igbe oyi. All the n'ime igbe oyi. Yes. I got a response from Princess. Who else is responding now? All the n'ime igbe oyi. Let's go. Emehe, where are you? Nnake, where are you, Princess? Emehe is in. Emehe is in. Where is Nnake? All the n'ime igbe oyi. Cherry Mango, I hope you are following and you are learning from your colleagues. I hope you are learning something. Cherry Mango, please confirm. You are learning. Yes, it is in the fridge. The way oil is fridge or refrigerator. So you guys are correct. It is in the fridge. Odd. It is mean inside. Below the fridge or refrigerator. So, Princess is in the fridge, correct. Clement is in the fridge refrigerator, correct. Nnake, it is in the fridge, still correct. So, Shoibi, are you following? Are you learning from your colleagues and myself? But let me go on to write what we have said in Igbo. Odd. So if you please answer me if you are following what we are doing. N'ime igbe oyi. Cherry Mango, answer me if you are following. If you are following, say yes. Ademma. Okay. Next sentence. Ngwa wete ya ọsịsọ. Why is it that when asking where is the need, we use de? We use de. So you have repeated your question. Okay. Maybe when we get it, to be able to respond. Cherry Mango, are you still there? Are you following? Are you following? I've made a new sentence. Ngwa wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Ngwa wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Oh, let me not use ngwa. We are using ngwa before. Please, I'm going to use biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Let's change that sentence. Sorry about that. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ is the new sentence. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Let's go. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Let's go. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Let's go there. Give me the sentence. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Give me the sentence now. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Princess is in. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Clement is in. Okay, waiting for two more people. Nnake and Sherry Mango. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Sherry Mango, are you still in the class? You are not responding to my question. You are not responding to my prompt. I asked you to indicate yes if you are following, if you are learning something. I have not got that response. Biko wetere m ya ọsịsọ. Let's review the answers. Princess, please. Oh, Princess has amended his response. So you have to delete the first one, Princess. If you are not going by that again, you delete the first one. Let's know that is no more your response. Clement, please bring it to me quickly. Correct. Princess, please bring it to me quickly. Correct. Nnake, please bring it to me quickly. Or say so. You guys are too much. Okay, when you bring it to me, what are you supposed to say when you bring it to me? You are going to respond from your brain now. What are you supposed to say when you bring it to me? To give it to me, to present it to me. What do you say when you bring it? Go ahead and do that. Say it in Igbo. How you present it, what you say when you give it to me in Igbo language. What do you say? Go ahead, type it in Igbo language now. What you will say when you bring the meat to me. You are bringing the meat to me now. You bring it. What do you say to me when you present the meat to me? What do you say? Let's see what others will say. I'm not asking you what I will say. I say what you will say as you bring the meat to me, not what I will say to you. What you will say as you present that meat to me. What will you say to me when you bring it to me? Not what I will say to you when you give me. Get my question correctly. Not what I will say to you when you give it to me. I'm saying what you will say when you present the meat to me. I hope my question is understood. Okay, Nakero. Kedu ebe m ga-etinye ya? Better answer. That's the type of thing I'm expecting. Kedu ebe m ga-etinye ya? Which means, where should I put it? Excellent. What other things do we say? Clement wrote, okay, good prayer, not very good. What is Princess saying about this? Got two responses, which are very good. I wait for Princess. I don't know whether Sherry Mango is still here or not. Princess, what do you say to me when you bring the meat? Ewetara m ya. Okay? Ewetara m ya ebe a. I bring it here. Good effort. I like your answers. Excellent response. Let's review your responses. Nnake, kedebe m ga-etinye ya. Very good response. Where will I put it? Good one. You can also say leya. Simple. Here is it. Leya. Here is it. Okay, or lekwaya. Here is it. Okay. Then Clement wrote ebebiaho. that sentence does not make real meaning. I don't know what you mean. Okay, Princess wrote, ewetara m ya, ewetara m ya, ewetara m ya. It's right, but not really very perfect. Ewetara m ya. Okay, I don't know what you want to write, whether you mean I brought it here, or I brought it here, or I'm bringing it here, or I bring it here. Okay? Can you write your response so I can catch the spelling? Okay. Okay. You can say le kwaya. This one means here is it. Then you can also, if I go by Princess answer, it will be ewetagomya. Ewetagomya, I brought it. Ewetagomya. Or you can as well say ewetalamya. Maybe that was what she wanted to write. I brought it here. Okay? So I've given so many options. Nnake's phone is a question. I think it's excellent. Where should I put it? Or where will I put it? All right. I hope this helps, Princess. I hope this helps. Now I now say ngwa tinye ya n'ime ofe. Ngwa tinye ya n'ime ofe. Ngwa tinye ya n'ime ofe. Let's go. Okay, you say, can I write here is the meat? Okay. I've just said the fire. That is something as here is it. So you can say lekwa anụ ahụ ebe a. I'm responding to Clement Emehe that said, can you write here is the meat? It is lekwa anụ ahụ ebe a. That is here is the meat. Lekwa anụ ahụ ebe a. Clement, I hope that answers your question. Okay, we are going on to the next sentence. Now, okay. Princess has answered that question already. She has answered that question already. Now, put it in the soup. Is anybody answering? Is anybody responding also to that? Now, put it in the soup. Now, put it in the soup. Now put it in the soup. Oh, that is what Princess wrote. Ubua, tinyeya n'ime ofe. Okay, they are following the same line. What about Nake? Ubua, tinyeya n'ime ofe. Are you saying the same thing? Are you saying the same thing? Are you saying the same thing, Nake? Ubua. Tinye n'ime ofe. I want to believe that Nnake is going to write the same thing. I don't know if it's still there. But I'm going to say, chere ka osuo. I want to try a new vocabulary for you now. Chere ka osuo. You asked me to put the meat inside the soup, and I responded, chere ka osuo. What does that mean? Chere ka osuo. Or chere ka obo. Some people will use chere ka obo. Chere ka osuo. I don't know which one is more popular. Chere ka osuo. Okay, I think chere ka obo. seems to be more popular. Chereka Obo. No, Chereka Oswo. I don't know which one I'm thinking. Is it Swo or Bo? For both of them mean the same thing actually. I'm looking for which one is more common. I don't know if any of you have idea what I'm trying to say. Chereka or Swo. Do you have any idea of what that means? Anybody that has idea? Chereka or Swo? Chereka or Swo? Any idea from anybody of what that means? Chereka or Swo? Any idea? Any idea? Yes or no? Any idea with that? Chereka or Swo? Chereka or Swo? Any idea? Yes. I am waiting for that. Chereka or Swo? Princess said no. Clement said Lereka also. I said if you write what I said in English, you are writing in Igbo again. And even in Igbo, you are not writing it well. Princess said no. What about Nake? Any idea? Any idea of Chereka or Swo? Do you have any idea about that? Any idea? Chereka or Swo? Any idea? Princess said no. Nake has written what he knows. Any idea again? Okay, let me write that in Igbo, and then I explain what it means. I think we'll use that random. Chereka or Swo. Okay. Some will also say Chereka or more. But I think Chereka or Swo is better, it's more popular. This means wait for it to boil. 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 Wait for it to boil. Wait for it to boil. Chereka or Swo. Some will say Chereka or more. But I think Chereka or Swo is more popular. Do you get that? Is that clear? Did you get what I mean? You want it to boil before you put the meat inside. Is that clear? Please, I need your response as we round up. Is that clear? Did you get that? Waiting for your response. Yes, I wait for your response. And with that, you are rounding up today's lesson. Yeah, thank you, Clement. I do hope we learned one or two things of today's class. And I appreciate you guys for coming on to keep this going. Thank you for your support as always. Practice those things you've learned today. Use them so that you can internalize them, master them properly. Practice makes perfect. So don't forget to practice whatever you learn each day with someone around you to sharpen your skill further. That is the essence of what we are doing. Give you more time to soak in this, internalize it, practice with it. So update your notes from what we've done today. Use it as you go into your kitchen, around someone else. Use it anywhere you are until you will not forget it again. So I appreciate your coming today. Give our class thumbs up if you think you've learned something today. And we hope to see you next Saturday. Okay, Messiah, give us a thumbs up if you think you've learned something. Okay. What did you write? Italy. Oh, Italy. That is Olubu. Yes, you learned something there. It's Olubu. Yeah, that's great. Italy. Okay, Messiah. See you next Saturday. Bye.